Your morning routine could be silently harming your health, especially if you're over 70. Most people don't realize how a few simple habits can make the difference between feeling energized and facing serious health risks. If you're 70 or older, or love someone who is, this video could truly be a lifesaver. Let's explore 4 dangerous morning mistakes many seniors make, and how to avoid them starting tomorrow morning. Mistake number 1. Getting out of bed too fast. After lying down all night, your blood pressure is naturally lower. Standing up too quickly can cause dizziness, lightheadedness, or even a fall. A major risk at this age. The solution: take just 60 seconds. Sit up slowly. Dangle your legs off the side of the bed, and gently stretch your arms, neck, and ankles. Let your body adjust before standing up. Mistake number 2. Skipping hydration. Many people go straight for their morning coffee or tea, but after a full night's sleep, your body is already dehydrated, and caffeine can make it worse. The fix is simple. Drink a full glass of water before anything else. You can even add a pinch of salt or a few drops of lemon to help restore your electrolytes. This small step can boost your energy, circulation, and mental clarity. Mistake number 3. Ignoring movement. Sitting for hours after waking, whether reading the paper or watching TV, can stiffen your joints and slow your metabolism. Even just 5 minutes of gentle morning movement can make a big difference. Try shoulder rolls, slow knee lifts, or a short walk around the house. This helps activate your muscles and improve balance, right from the start of your day. Mistake number 4. Skipping breakfast, or starting your day with sugar foods like toast and jam or sugary cereals might seem easy, but they spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling drained soon after. Or worse, some people skip breakfast altogether, which can cause fatigue and even increase the risk of falls. Instead, go for a balanced breakfast with protein and fiber, like eggs, oatmeal, or a smoothie with greens, nuts, and seeds. It will keep your energy stable and your mind sharp. Your mornings set the tone for your entire day and for your long-term health. By avoiding these 4 mistakes, you can feel more energized, steady on your feet, and confident in your daily routine. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video. You never know who might need this information today. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy aging tips. See you in the next video.